Other services of mychanabazar.com is providing a long-term assistance in spare parts. Like mostly the problem what we check through our clients once they buy a machine, they face problem with the spare parts. What we do, we collaborate with our partners and we try to provide the spare parts as required by our clients. They have to pay the cost of the spare parts and the shipping charges at actual with no other extra cost. They can contact us and keep in touch if any products like a lubricant is needed for any machine or any kind of product which they need. It might be monthly, might be in a 3 month phase or quarterly, so they can contact us and we will keep in touch with our manufacturers and provide the spare parts or any other parts requirement which is necessary for the proper functioning of the machines. We will provide it to our clients in India. Other than this, there are a few machines which requires proper servicing after 6 months or 1 year or after 2 years as per machine or a product specification. We generally advise our clients to maintain the service in a very proper way for better efficacy of the product and longevity of the product. So we will assist our clients regarding this purpose also.